Hey, welcome back to BLUETTI Support. Introducing the BLUETTI Elite 10, your everyday outlet on the move. It's compact enough to toss in your bag, but don't let its size fool you. This unit packs serious energy. With 5 DC outputs and 1 AC outlet, you can run 6 devices at once. Get 200 watts of steady AC continuous output, 300 watts surge, or boost to 400 watts in powerlifting mode. Your phones, cameras, mini appliances, all powered with ease. With turbocharging, this unit powers up to full in just 70 minutes. You can also recharge the Elite 10 by car, solar, or a combination of AC and solar. Even during a blackout, the 10-millisecond UPS kicks in instantly, keeping your devices on and your day uninterrupted. More than power, it doubles as a light. Cool and warm LEDs cover daily tasks or outdoor adventures, with SOS mode just in case. Inside, the unit's got rock-solid lithium iron phosphate batteries with smart BMS protection, giving you over 3,000 reliable cycles. Plus, the BLUETTI app puts full control right at your fingertips. Check status, receive alerts, adjust the lighting, all via Bluetooth with a single tap. Power made portable. That's Elite 10. Thanks for watching, catch you in the next one.